Good morning, YouTubers. Anyone who's new to the channel, basically, I'm a 60-year-old fossil hanging out in the north of Thailand because it's better than hanging out in the UK. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, I basically do a lot of silly things, fall off a lot, and try to enjoy what's left of my life. So we had a little ride out the other day where I managed to butter myself good and proper, and it's all still hurting like mad now. It's starting to calm down a bit. I'm just about to start modding the bike a bit more, make it more jungle friendly. And then I realised that the tax is expiring in 2 weeks. So the next job is we've got to prepare it for the vehicle inspection for tax. I shouldn't have to do this anyway because it's not 7 years old. I don't know why I have to do this. You're only supposed to get an inspection done on them when they're over 7, yeah? Well, this thing's only 6, so I don't really know why they keep doing that anyway. Probably just because I'm a foreigner. So let's crack on, because you don't want to be watching this all day. Now in my registration book, bike's listed as red and black, so consequently they won't test it. Let's just put it on. They won't test it now. They never used to give a damn before, but now it's like, oh no, the colour's wrong, so they won't test it with a sticker kit on it. And to be honest, I am in need of a new sticker kit, and 3M film is not exactly cheap, but it is hanging about as offcuts. So this is what we got to do to get it retested. I suppose it is a bit tedious, but it's only once a year. Where does that end? About there? Somewhere like that. And that bit can go there. Like that. And then that bit can go there. People pay good money to have this stuff put on in the UK and other places, but not here. Here we just whack it on there to satisfy the rules and regulations. Well, let's face it, we all moan about rules and regulations, but they are what they are. If this is what you've got to do, this is what you've got to do. So blank out all the bits I don't like. It's not exactly the tidiest of jobs, is it, this one? Right, if I shove that, that'll go just there, won't it? There we go. Lovely. So that'll be what I'll be doing to the rest of the bike. They are particularly pedantic where I come from, so I didn't want to pass the sprocket cover last year. Well, that's okay. You need a cover for the sprocket? I'll give you a cover for the sprocket. Your wish is my command. So I reckon I have actually got the movement back in my arms and legs now, because I couldn't even raise my right arm after smacking into that tree the other day. That's well worth a watch, part 1. And I think we've counted about 18 to 21 stab wounds on me from the bamboo that I kept riding into. Kept getting caught in my body armour and tearing me off the bike. Normally I say all good fun, but I must admit that part of the trip was not much fun at all, really. So, sprocket, get off, fly. Sprocket cover, check. Chain guard was another one. Didn't like the chain guard. No worries. You know, likey, me fixie. Where is my beautiful chain guard? I did have the optional beer can mounted on the top of it last time. I weren't overly impressed with that. Oh, well, why is that? Why is that not fitting this year? It fitted last year. I guess we need a bit of a... how are we gonna... Why is that how can that shrink from last year? How does that even happen? It definitely has, hasn't it? Let's just give that a bit of a tweak. Oh, there you go. A tweak. And unlike most people, I haven't lost my 10 socket, but I have lost my 8 socket. So no socketry for them. So that's the chain covered. The other little bit they like to have a whinge about. It's not got any mirrors on it. Which is the right one? That one, isn't it? Not that it really matters, but are these lefty or righty righties? I can't remember. Let's put this one on first. So I've got 2 hands. Check. Nice left down thread on that one. Check. Right, indicators. I've got to nail some indicators on the back, haven't I? What do I normally nail on there? Let's have a look in the junk pile. One. Yes. What do you want? Are you missing your ginger friend? You're not, are you? Well, I've got one. I've got one broken one, 2 broken ones. Why do you keep the broken ones? Oh, because they might come in handy. And I've got an unused one because I bought these from China. When they arrived, the mouldings on them are totally substandard, and they've filled in all the holes and the defects with super glue. So I made a complaint with eBay saying, look at this shit. Look, you can tell it's the same mould because they've got the same defects in the same places, and what they've done is they filled them in with super glue so that they can still sell them. I mean, that is China at its finest, selling substandard junk. So the seller sent me another set, and of course when the second set came, they had the same bloody defects, exactly the same defects, because they came from the same moulds. So basically everything they were selling was junk. So I got another refund. So I got 2 sets of indicators for free. I mean, you're selling junk. How do you expect to get away with it? You think we're all stupid? So all I've got to do now, oh, I used up my I moved this is me Chinese DRC Edge 2 light, which I moved in further under the tailpiece, but what that means now is I've lost my 2 indicator mounting points. So I'm going to have to cable tie these on here, which obviously is about as exciting as watching fingernails grow. So that's pretty much the end of this video, and I'll catch up with you lot on the next one. Cheerio now. Oh, and I hate having to do this, but this is the begging bit for the likes. Please just bung likes on there, or even dislikes, because without those things YouTube just bury the videos so no one can see them. I had some idiot complaining about me spamming videos the other day. I mean, spamming means you're posting the same video over and over and over, whereas what I'm doing is I'm breaking up the videos in little bits, just to try and keep the content up. Otherwise I'll just get buried. So if you like watching this stuff and it gives you a chuckle, just bung some random likes on it just to keep YouTube happy. I'm not fussed. I mean, I go out and I actually do it. I'm there. It's me that's making the video, so I'm enjoying doing it. So, you know, it doesn't matter either way to me, because I'll still be there doing it even if I don't wear a camera. But if you do enjoy watching it, bung us a like, or 10, 150,000 maybe. Right, rant over. Cheerio now.